So guys, finally done with all the traveling and going to the airport, going through customs and everything. But I am in the Dominican Republic. I am here living my best life, deadass. But I will show you guys like the hotel and room tour and all that once we get to the room. Mama, guys, so I'm back. We've been at the pool the entire day, so we just got back. It's probably around 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish right now. We have dinner reservations at 9 o'clock because that's what they had available, so that's what we got. But I just got a shower. I just combed my hair out too, so that's why my hair looks like this. But I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour. This is it. You walk in here, you have two big mirrors. And I usually hang my stuff up. So I just hung a couple shirts up. So you have that. Some really nice full-length mirrors. And then you also have this side where I put a few more of my stuff. You have your safe, put some of my sneakers and stuff down there. So over here, you have a little sitting area over here. And then you have the beds. And it's me and my sister are sleeping in this room, and then my younger sister decided she wanted to sleep in here too. So they just brought a rollaway bed for her, and then this is my bed here, and they just shifted it over so the rollaway bed could fit in the middle. But then you have your TV here, but then guys, you also have a bathtub right in the middle of your room. Personally, I'm not getting in this, but it's kind of cool though, to be honest. And then over here, we have our balcony, and I'll show you guys that tomorrow when it gets more light outside. But then we also have a connecting room right here with my parents. That's the room. We're getting ready to go to dinner right now. I'm about to like put lotion on my face actually, so I don't look dry as hell. But other than that, just chilling for the night. Probably just go to like a club or something later on, but I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's later on in the day right now. We are headed to dinner. I feel like I haven't checked in a minute, but I just don't feel the need to keep on saying, good morning guys, we're going to the pool now. Good morning guys, we're going here now. Good morning guys, we're going. Because we have been literally doing the same exact thing over and over and over, which is perfectly fine. We've been going to the pool, going to the beach, going to dinner, repeat, going to the club at night. So I just don't feel the need to show everything because it's gonna get repetitive, I feel like. But today, right now, we're headed to my favorite restaurant. If you didn't know, Italian food is my favorite. So we're headed to the Italian restaurant right now. It's called Ciao. I'm so excited. Ciao better not disappoint today.
Brian Little.
Morning, guys. Obviously not morning, but you know what I mean. I haven't walked all morning because we had to wake up super early today. We had an excursion. We did the dolphin swim and then also the snorkeling when we got on like this boat. You jump off the boat and like you go snorkeling in the water, you see all the fish and the coral reef and everything. Really dope. But I'll insert that footage right now. Now we're just heading to the pool. I've been meaning to show you guys this. This is dinner in the sky. I don't know if you guys can see because it's dark outside, but it's a whole crane, and that's like a bar restaurant up there. It's a no for me, dog. It's a no.